What is going on, guys? Yummy R6 here. It is 6:30 o'clock. 6:30 o'clock. I swear to God, there's always once during a fucking motovlog that I sound like an idiot because I don't know how to pronounce anything. It is 6:30 at night. And this is Saturday's motovlog! Yay! Saturday! Yay! Okay, anyways. And if you notice, for 6:30, it's kind of dark outside because it is about to rain. It's about to rain. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm leaving work 30 minutes early because my boss is awesome, so I can get home before it rains because we are in a severe thunderstorm warning. So that means it's going to severe thunderstorm, just a matter of when. So yeah, got a couple things going on today. Couple topics I want to talk about. First one we'll start off is my R6 has a name. Woohoo! Don't you? Yes you do. Yes you do. I've decided I love the comments that you guys sent in. There were some really fucking hilarious ones that I laughed when I saw them. I think my favorite one was Hooker Slayer. That one was fucking awesome. Anyways, the name I have picked for my bike, don't hate, her name is Vanessa. Isn't that right, Nessie? Isn't that right, Nessie? Yes, you are. Yeah, so I like the name Vanessa. At the same time, I can call her Nessie. Isn't that fucking cool? Right, Nessie? Gotta love Nessie. But yeah, guys, that's the name for my bike. Thank you for everyone that sent everything in. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start the next topic here. The next topic is, I've gotten actually a lot of requests for this topic. I said something about them, I mean, roughly a while ago, but I never really used it as a topic. It's my view on leader bikes. I can't tell you how many people I've had a message or a comment that I should do my review on leader bikes. So I might as well do my review on leader bikes. First and foremost, everyone is different. Everyone has their own opinion. Everyone rides what they want to ride. I will say that first before I say anything. If you're 15 years old and you ride a 1000, cool. You know, that's cool. But if I was 15-year-old and I rode 1000, I'd be calling myself a dumbass. I'm just saying. But again, that's my personal opinion. I'm a motovlogger, so that's what I do. Tell you my personal opinion. So, for leader bikes, if I had my way, if I was like the governor or some shit, I don't think they should be legal, truthfully. For the street, it's just kind of OD, people. It's just kind of, I mean, 1000 cc's. You know, I have a 600 and my cc's are plenty fucking full. Okay, I can get up and go and get to 100 miles per hour in seconds. Why would I need to go faster? Now, if we're talking like the track or fucking the drag strip, that's different. That's where I would love to have it 1000. But as far as street goes for leader bikes, I just don't see the point for them. I mean, there's a strict line between super sport leader bike and like a FZ1 or something like that. You know, it's like, I think something like the FZ1, I guess, would be a little better than having a super sport 1000. I just think the CCs, guys, is just a little ridiculous. So, let me know what your guys' view on 1000 cc's is. What is your guys' view saying that I would never get an R1. I think having an R1 would be pretty cool, you know, just to have an R1. But I'll be truthful with you guys. If I got an R1, I would get an R1 for the title, not for the 1,000 cc's. I don't see when it's necessary to use 1,000 cc's on my everyday commute back and forth to work, school, and for pleasure. I don't understand it. But you know, like I said, everyone's got their opinion. Everyone has their own reasons. So if you own a 1,000 cc, give me your reason why you think they're fine and why you like them and why they're perfectly fine for the street instead of a, you know, a 600. And if you don't have a 1,000 or a 600, or anyone could answer this question, what do you think about 1,000 cc's? What is your feel on it? Are they necessary? Are they not necessary? Are they obnoxious? Are they fun? Are they a lot different? So I'd love to hear your guys' view on that. So donut tire. Inside joke for all my people who haven't seen my donut tire video. Donut tire! Alright, key the donut. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, so next topic. I'm sorry this motovlog's kind of quick, guys. I wanted to get a motovlog for you guys on Saturday. And I got lots of topics. Thank you for the topics, guys. Keep sending them in. You guys are having some great topics. Like I said, if you got a topic, put that shit in the description. The odds of me seeing it are pretty damn well, because I do read almost all my comments, like I said before. So, you got something you want me to talk about, throw it down there. But anyways, this topic, the one topic I've been asked to talk about for probably the last 4 or 5 videos, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it. And the topic is lane splitting. I do not promote lane splitting at all. I think it's dangerous. I fucking love you, Moto Swag! That was for you. Woo! Anyways, I do not promote lane splitting at all. Even though I just did it. Yeah, I know, I'm a jackass. Okay, lane splitting. I think it should be legal, personally. I fucking love it. I think it's necessary. I think it's awesome. I think it saves me from getting rear-ended. I think it saves people from running into me. I think it's fucking sweet. Do I lane split? No. I try not to unless it's completely necessary, because no one knows how to drive. So with lane splitting, I'm rough on it. I like it. I enjoy it. I would love to do it, but I can't in the state that I'm in. So for you people in California, you lucky motherfuckers. That's all I'm going to say. Because if I could lane split, I would. I think it's just a safer way for motorcycles to get around. And if lane splitting was legal in all states, I think traffic would be decreased a crazy amount. Because as soon as you hear in your state that lane splitting's allowed now, a lot of more people are going to be interested in it for the traffic reason. And that's going to create less cars on the road, which is going to create more motorcycles in the middle, which is going to create more traffic flow. So that's my view on that. I mean, I think it's a lot more efficient to do that. So if you could lane split, I would. So if that's the question you guys want to know, if I could lane split in the state that I live in now, would I? Fucking right, I would. So for you people in California, I hope you enjoy your lane splitting, because I can't enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it for me. But like I said, also if you're lane splitting and you get hit, I mean, as long as you're lane splitting like in traffic, you're not gonna, I mean, you're gonna probably get hurt, but you're not gonna like get deadly hurt, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lower speed crash. And if someone hits you while you're lane splitting, they obviously don't know how to stay in their fucking lane, because you're going down the middle. like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. So, I don't know. That's my view on lane splitting, guys. Holy fuck! Holy shit, did anyone just see that? Get the fuck out of the road, what are you doing? Oh my god, did anyone just see that? My heart just dropped. Woo! I almost fucking hit that bird and I almost flipped out. God damn it. Holy shit! Alrighty guys. I hope all you ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, and Double T have a great afternoon, great Saturday, great weekend. Let's see if you catch that one, Double T. He probably won't even know what I'm saying. But speaking of Double T, I might as well sum up with him. He is out in Dallas right now on the Downshift 83 meetup. I think that's what it is. I think that's what they're doing. So I would like to throw a shout out there for Double T90T. And I hope you were having lots of fun out there, and I hope you got there safely, since you don't want to fucking text me that you got there, you jackass. I thought we were closer than this. Just kidding. This is today's motovlog. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Thank you, subscribers, and everyone else that's viewing this. If you're not a sub yet, I would love for you to be a sub. I would love to see you around. Message me for questions and leave topics in the comment for them to be in the next motovlog. Okie dokie guys, everyone take care and enjoy your weekend.